Okay, so here we are, and I don't have a whole lot of time. We got a show coming up. Oh, let's see, an hour, but I did want to do development on my site. So actually, I was looking at the Python page, especially with how sad it looked this morning. I was doing some, I was trying to do a tutorial, but decided against it. But also, I realized that my color schemes. I mean, granted, this whole thing is pretty not appealing to the eye. I mean, granted, the colors, I like this color scheme. This could be a little better, but I did want to change these buttons. So, and that's why I kind of threw JavaScript in the title, because it's some light JavaScript. You got this over here, so you can assign certain values to certain areas. Here we are. Uh-oh. Sorry, I don't have a whole lot of time. Got a show. The main thing I want to do, and actually, sorry, I also wanted to try to end this stream with a raid, because embarrassingly, I had no idea how to do it last time. So, let's see. Let me pull up my. There we go. I mean, also I've been looking at all sorts of different modifications to the channel now. Now that I got the affiliate thing going, so. Anyways, back to this. Oh, and this is a CodePen, part of freecodecamp.com. So it's a really good tutorial. I'm usually talking about it. Anyways, sorry. Back to the task at hand. Just making sure I got everything good to go other than that. Alright. So, this is my open source computer science page. So this is the home page. Very, very lengthy with that. I mean, there's some other things that I can do. Oh, actually, did want to see how am I doing, because this was wrong. Okay, so it is. Let's actually change that to 25 pixels. My links. I noticed that I was trying to change the href instead of just A in the CSS part. So, hey, what's up? I haven't seen you in a while. I'm doing good, man. How are you? I made affiliate today, and I struggled horribly this morning trying to do a video. So, so I decided to stick with something a little easier like this. Although I do want to be on the ready. Let's see. Saunter. We've got orange, blue, orange. All right. Now, for anyone with sensitive eyes, prepare to avert your eyes, because this is what I want to fix today. That, oh. Okay, so back to normal. Power walk is normal, and basically what I want to do is I want to change all those awful, awful colors that are heartful into something a little more pleasant. I was thinking maybe like have a matrix theme, you know, a light theme, a dark theme, this theme. You know, this could be more like an ocean. Maybe have like some earth tone themes. I don't know. I'm not huge into web dev. I mean, I wish I was better. Like, I mean, this is about the extent of like my my styling in web development. Or sorry, I'm not big in web design. That's what I meant. Anyways, let's change Saunter. Oh, and then here's this nifty tool. I wanted to point this out. Oh, that's pretty bright. But anyways, this is W3 Schools, an awesome resource for web dev. You can just click on any of the different grades. Might make a, let's see. Oh, nice. Congratulations. Welcome to the world of the drug. The responsibilities and the expenses. I get a fortune to fix it, but we're good now. So, let's see. What kind of car are you getting your first, or what kind of car do you have, I should say? I think I actually had mine. I did my driver. Let's see. So this is close to what I have in the existing one. And I've been using the default OSCS page just kind of to keep a theme. Let's see. Oh yeah, black and green. So I want to pick a matrix green, one of these, something that will really contrast with it. Maybe a little darker actually, something easier on the eyes. So Still kind of lime, but still, let's see. 0 E6. Oh. Yeah, that's always exciting. I remember my driver's test. I actually lived in the time where I didn't have to take driver's education. I just took the test after so many hours of driving with the parents. Nice. Volkswagens are good cars. I got a buddy that's went through like three of them, but he loved them. So I think they all ran on diesel, actually, which is pretty interesting. Like I think that's usually cheaper than normal gas. All right, so I'm gonna try this. So zero. In fact, we can even just get that to. Let's start off with the first. A little laggy. Does do or just overhead lag wise. So Saunter, still which brand from back when I was doing. I actually brought this up in one of my other projects. Was trying to make a website for Kiwico, a company that does like crate stuff. So that's why it says switch brand. So let's see. So I'm trying to think. Let's see the blue, or no, we need to change the orange to that. Oh, and then I believe I don't know if it needs the quotes. Sorry, might hurt the eyes, so heads up. Okay, well that's not as threatening. Let's see, where is white? I want that to be like the text, and then, uh-oh, what happened here? Oof, that does still hurt a little bit. I want to say, let's see, I guess it's just, find this spot. I've done it before. Oh, we are at the top. Here we go. So, yeah, it does have the pound in the quotes, I believe. Although power walk, it's supposed to be black with background. Let's see, background color is um, FFF. Oh, that's the nav bar. So that would be this, and that's all white. 000, the absence, which doesn't make sense. Yeah, black being the absence of color. Well, I guess it is absence of light, absence of color. Okay, so we've got that. That's for that. But what I want is actually that kind of looks okay. If we changed, let's see, the body. I believe this. So forgetting that. It's kind of annoying that you gotta remake the thing every time. Oh, yeah. So that's the type I want, but I want it on the back. I wanted this. Um, let's do that E600. Um, we should do some of the Borderlands 3 soon. I wanted to do some of this, and actually send her. Oh, geez, what did I do? That is not. Never mind. This needs to be. Let's actually do this. Pound 000. I mean, that's gonna kind of blend with the sidebars, yeah. And then, if that's the case, then I need to change HTML. ID the HTML. I don't know if this is completely necessary, but gonna do it. Okay. The HTML. I'm gonna change that to FFF. So now no? Let's see. Get element by ID. Like that's why I made that the body, and then so Well, either way, the colors are less offensive. Oh, that's just horrible. What's that one? We got walk. Alright, well, second nav bar. Oh. Alright, well, that's not gonna be good. Um, hmm. Trying to think of. Cause I don't even know. Like, if I did. Let's see, does it have any theme suggestions? Hand stuff, but no real suggested theme. Let's see. Maybe. Ooh, color schemes. Check that out. So yeah, it's gonna lag a little bit. So complementary, triadic. Hmm. Yeah, I don't want to be doing monochromatic. Let's see. So I'm thinking. Hmm. Oh, and to be honest, this white, all this white. I mean, they're usually not used to. Well, let's see. And actually, does W3 schools have? Well, I was just curious if they had like a button up here. I mean, I'm not logged in, so maybe if I was logged in, I might actually change. Actually, I don't know if you're gonna be on later. I might hop on the Borderlands 3. I mean, I gotta be quiet. Like, it's gonna be late here. I just got coming up when we watch 10:30. It's 9:50 here, so like 40 minutes. I'm gonna drop my first raid, hopefully, and especially first raid is affiliate. I've been kind of slacking, but let's check out what color brands is. I mean, I understand what all this is. What it's even doing. I mean, granted, I know Broncos colors and all that. I'm not a huge football fan, but the orange and the blue, and like purple and yellow complementary color schemes, I'm aware of those. But as far as like if we look at the open source computer science theme, these aren't exactly complementary colors. They're like kind of earthy tones. In fact, because here's just another one of them. In fact, I still need to change the font here. What is that under even? Well, either way, I'm not as concerned about that one. This one, I need to fix that. So that even this looks those old websites in the early 90s have like the fake words, no real boxes or content of any kind. Really hacky. I do like this. It kind of reminds me of school. It could use some spacing. I'm trying to think of what the term is for that. I mean, probably just like line spacing or something simple. So, line spacing, HTML. Span? No. Hmm. Strict HTML to create line spacing that looks right or that helps make a section of text fit perfectly inside the text area. Strict HTML. Hmm. Then a span tag. I guess it's not super important for now. What's more important is the colors. I wanted to fix that. So let's go. Walk is completely hideous. We'll find another, I don't know, maybe some dull type of color complements. Let's see. Brand colors. Oh, interesting. So if I want to try to risk some copyright, I can make a Facebook or Microsoft. Oh, all right, let's see. Um, I don't need. Let's see. Compound color trends, colors of the year. Hmm. Let's see that. So, curious. Yeah, see, these look a little easier on the eyes. I wouldn't say necessarily that they're some of my better choice colors, but yeah, kind of more pastelic, not so loud, I guess you would say. Let's see. Let's do this. I like this. So 6B, 5B, 9-5. Alright, so now we go back to 6B, 9B. Sorry, 6B, 5B, 9-5. Wish I could just copy it. Come on. 6B, B, 5B, 9-5. Cool. Now let's do walk. Okay, and we changed. Actually, what's the orange? There we go. Let's change that. I know, I'm being lazy. I could look and see the body, main nav bar, the body, second nav bar, background color, all these different like indicators. But ooh, that's not. Or at least not with the red block or red. I can see. Let's change the red to something else. What would go with? See, I don't know. 6B, 5B, 9-5. That doesn't look. It's F7, CA, C9. I can write that down. No. That's the one drawback of using W3 schools is does. Oh, that went pretty quick. All right, so wait, we need, yeah, F7, 6A, C9. Oops, C9. Okay, click the walk. No, come on. Oof. It's still kind of annoying. I don't know. Maybe I should pick a duller green. That is just. How can I not? Oh, that's why. In fact, why do I even have main nav bar, second nav bar? I should just, instead of changing this every time, let's actually, oh, because it's get element by ID. I think you can also do element by class. Double check that. Get element by class, yeah. JavaScript. Query selector. To get element by class in JavaScript, we can use query selector. Oh yeah, no, you can just get elements by class. So if we were to change this, and then what navbar classes do I have? I think it's just navbar. Navbar. We gotta change class here as well. Alright, let's see it. Save. Okay. No. Also, how did that change? Also, I might not have added, let's see, class navbar. Okay, so it's navbar. Why is style, background color? So this isn't. Yeah, or I think that's why I just kept it with ID. It was working better. Actually, we can just go ahead and Control Z that out. There. It's not a huge deal. There. Okay. Ugh, at least they changed together. I wonder now. Color, body. This is gonna be. Uh, yes, there we go. And again, I keep confusing black and white. So, absence of color, black, makes sense. There we go. Okay, so that's kind of like a weird bubblegum. I mean, it's not great, but it's better than that scheme that I had before. So, we've got that. I mean, this is still kind of offensive. Let's see. Jog. Sorry, we're looking for the maroon. Oh, huh, this guess is good as mine. So I'm pretty sure it's that. So let's do that. Black. Check jog. There. So that's not as bad as that red maroonish whatever. I mean, this is still kind of painful in the eyes, but also I'm starting to wonder if I should put some border radius on these boxes for the navigation bars. I mean, I still need to overhaul these a lot. Like, I don't like just the yeah, the underscore text. It doesn't make the best buttons. Plus, you'll notice that you gotta kind of hover over just the correct spot to be able to click these links. So it's kind of annoying. I think I need to add a little padding in there, something like that. But again, I'm not. Web dev isn't really one of my favorite things, but I did like the niftiness of being able to select themes. So, I mean, granted, these three are pretty similar. That's something, really ridiculous. Oof. Actually, yeah, we forgot. I don't know, that's actually kind of growing on me now. I don't know. What's this? I should do a poll or something. See, like, what people's favorite colors are. Let's see. I mean, these colors look good here, but they don't look. I don't know. These look like something you'd see in like a pamphlet in like a doctor's office or something, or something professional, something specific. Like, let's see, color trend libraries, huh? Granted, I mean, once you know these values, you can do it one of a couple ways. With the hex value, you can just plop that in. Also, with the you could do the RGB, but I find that a little more complicated. I mean, harder to work with. I just like doing the value. Let's see. Let's actually go back to the color picker because I want to see do some like playing with the shades. Ugh, ridiculous. Okay, so dealing with. Let's go back to that pink bubblegum coral stuff. You see that's a little too, no, not quite that officey. See, that's a little more too neon. This looks a little more pastel. Oh no, see even there. Want it kind of a little washed out. At least that's what I'm looking for this theme. For the Matrix theme, I don't even know. We almost need like a third color. Let's try this. No? See, I have no clue. Let's go into these even darker purples. See, it almost looks like they're different. Ah, here we go. This is something pleasant. 936, and that's nice and easy to remember. So let's go to. We're looking at walk. 936, and we want to make that the body. No, this one, background color. Let's see. Okay, go and change. Yeah, actually, I can see it. That's not too bad. Although I do want to. Let's see. That I want to. There we go. The 936. Because that I actually want to throw on jog. Well, let's see. Which one of these do I want to keep? I think I like this one the best. This one's kind of washed out. That one's even darker. So we'll do run. And I want to thing. So I know in hindsight it makes sense, but it was pretty frustrating for a long time for me. So let's go ahead and plop that in there. We'll check what run looks like. Okay, yeah. See, so that's another And we got that one, that one. It's kind of a nice split between, different spectrum. Like a couple of more effeminate ones, and then a little more earthy tone, and then I don't even know. It's still better than whatever that was that we started with. So let's see. We can get a little more creative with. I mean, this looks almost the same as that. Though that blue, yeah. Oof, this just doesn't look good. I need to figure out the sides, but that didn't work for. Let's see, yeah, the HTML. Did I just spell that wrong? Let's see, ID. Let's try that. Or yeah, it should. No, didn't. Okay. So let's see. Is it? No. Okay, never mind. Um, there's probably a way to select it by HTML. Let's see. Actually, I had a site pulled up. Okay. Hmm. Well, say it's progress. Kind of like a little. Oh, that kind of. Change that. Actually, I don't know if I want both of these. That's just really pink. What was that? Walk. Okay. Um, let's see. The nav bars. What would be a good color with? Thinking like that. What was that? F96. That'd be all right. Maybe. Let's try that. Hmm. Plus, I like the nice even ones where. See, this is gonna be for the main. It looks a little strange, but I don't know. I like it. Let's leave it like that. F96. And then as I get better, we can get some suggestions or something from what people want. So I'd be okay with changing it. I mean, I like just looking at it like power walk right in the middle. So it's a normal one. Yeah. Okay. So also thinking I had another section that I wanted to add after. I mean, there's a ton I want to add to this project, but like all of these pretty much. I made a page, didn't add anything to it with artificial intelligence. Started reading a book on it, and then it's kind of got, uh, yeah. That was really all I wanted to do web development wise. Let me see. I could do some code clashes. Let me try to change. Another thing I wanted to test out was can I change the name of the channel mid-string? I think I can, but I need to figure out which. Let me try. I'm gonna have to mute this. Yeah. What's today? We got the 22nd. All right. Second. And this would be session 2. Um, can take the element tag, JavaScript tag, because we're not really doing that now. Let's see if this works. So now we can just do code clashes. Also, let's get rid of the picker because that's going to. Actually, I should. There we go. Do. And just a few. I mean, we got, what, half an hour before I want to go do that thing. So, let's work out. Actually, what time is it? Yeah. $1,714. That's just all over the place. I was like 1900 the other day. Let's see. Bada bing. There we go. No, did we pop up? No, I don't know if that worked. It's okay. Or did I spell it right? Yeah, coding game. Oh no, there I am. Sweet. So that is successful. So whenever I want to change stream, midstream, now we know. Alright. Oh. Still got a lot of work to do on that Python open source computer science. Like that project, it's going to be an ongoing thing. Right, we got raids pulled up on there. Cool. A lot of new people. And I'm hoping this coding game is really taken off. Because my buddy just told me about it about a month or two ago. So, I mean, I'm still pretty new to this. Actually, when was... let's see. Does it say like a start date? Huh. Nah. Alright. Oh, here we go. So, fastest mode. Your program must read the string given on the input, output, convert it into lite speak. Alright, so lite equals, and so we have okay, comma, oh wait, no. Or can I just do copy, paste, paste. Okay, there we go. And no. What's going on here? There we go. Hey. Oh, key error. Yep, char dot upper. There we go. Alright. Not terrible. Let's see. Oh, let's go again. Oh, I did forget. Wow, I wonder if it's going to change now. Oh, dang, that was quick. Alright, so your program must output whether the year given on the standard input is a leap year or not. So, if something print true, false, true, else, okay. Alright, I might not actually be able to, oh, jeez. Might not be able to raid, we only got one person, so. Alright, that's why I was kind of hoping to hit this with. Well, we'll see. Still got a few minutes. Worst case, we'll just try to do a raid tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. So. Oh, wow. Step 2. Two, 3, 4. So if year mod 4 is equals 0, 4 go to step 2. No, 100. What? Hold on. If the year is divisible by 4, go to step 2. Otherwise, go to step 5. So, else, it's not a leap year, so that's fine. Okay, so that's covered. So, number 2, if it's divisible by 100, go to step 3. Otherwise, go to step 4. So, we can actually do that. Else, why? So that's true. If otherwise, go to step 4. If the year is divisible by 400, go to step 4. So print true. Well, I'm going to be printing true quite a bit. Hold on. Valid equals false. Let's see. Well, let's see. So it's not divisible by 4, it's automatically false. So we've got that covered. If the year is divisible by 100, go to step 3. Otherwise, it is a leap year. So we can actually do valid equals true. Now wait a minute. And then if it's divisible by otherwise, go to step 4. If it is, go to step 3. And if it's let's try it. that all of them? No. The last two. Okay, so um, expected false. So if it's otherwise, go to set false. Oh, okay. So right here we need to else valid equals false. So that should get this one. Oh, wait. And then we need to do valid equals false. If valid, print true, else print false. But now, we just need to nice, fastest. Sorry, so oh, not exactly super fast on that one. Let's see. I'm pretty sure Bitwolf is a bot. I think I've looked that up before, but oh, jeez, what's going on here? Uh-oh. Hold on 1 second. Before we do another one, I gotta check something real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Yeah, we got time for a couple more. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright. Interesting. Okay. Oh. There we go. I wasn't sure if that call was an emergency or not. I just had to check. So. Okay. Fastest. Find the winner out of 2 given basketball teams. This will only contact team so opposed to 5 players. Given field goal percentage. Okay. Highest team field goal percentage. Okay. T1 equals 0, T2 equals 0. So let's do for T in team O. Also, T1 L equals team 1 dot split, and let's split it on the semicolon. There we go. We need that for another one. Okay, that's for 2. For T in T1L, T1 plus equals float T. Now, for T2 in 2. Now we need to make sure that's changing T2. If T1 is greater than T2, print team 1. Let's see, is there a tie? Draw. Okay, so we need to do an elif T1 is less than T2. Print team 2, else, there we go. Tab that out. Draw. Okay. There we go, fastest. Whew. Oh man, oh. I was gonna say, I just missed it by a second. Ooh. Alright. We doing any... That one doesn't really bear any discussion for the most part. Alright, let's see. I have about time for one more. And it looks like we'll have to raid some other time. That's fine. I'm just happy I'm getting some successful clashes. And my website alternate themes aren't breaking the eyes. So they're not great, but I mean, they're better. Let's see, here's the link, just in case anyone joins in. Alright. Let's try another one and then let's see. If he gets here in University of Just like to see where everyone's from. Alright. That looks like Al Gore. Anyways. Alright, another fast. Get out of here. Okay, the goal is to print the middle element from an array of strings. If the array length even. Okay, so if len s modulo 2 doesn't equal 0, print s len s divided by 2, else print s at that. Let's do s plus 1. Nope. V. Wait a minute. O. Probably have to do length S1 plus 1. Huh? Let's see here. Okay. Get out of here. There we go. So if it's even, we'll do that. X. I'm just printing X. So the length of it is even. And I'm missing hold on. I want to see. Okay, so there's a first problem. There we go, even. Okay. I guess I need to see what S is. Oh, wait. So if it's odd, just get Q. Oh, I guess. Alright, so that's even. There we go. I'm going to try to do a split and then length of S list. Oh, I'm going to change all of this. Although, wait a minute. Expecting 2 level. Oh, okay. So yeah, we need to do that. Alright, maybe that's why I'm messing up with all this. Because it has to be the items, so like the words or anything. I got it. Oh, and then... Oh, whoops. I didn't want to submit there. Let's see. Index out of range, 14. Okay. Cool. So what we need is this one. Minus 1. Let's try that. There we go. Nope. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should just be the middle one. definitely not fastest. Oh well. Okay. Alright, let's see what time it is. Yep, it's about that time. Alright, well, that was fun. We did a little bit of web dev, we did some clashes. It was a good stream. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for coming by.